Bearish, get it. Roach gang, 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 roach gang. Yeah, under the
GG's. Straight lyrics, bro. Just like our podcast. Don't you mind your fuck? Straight on chop. No associate. Good. No chop, right? No associate. Look, look, look. The crowd too, I wouldn't even write like super fast. I need the crowd. I didn't know, bro. And I can even write better than that. Right there. Very nice. No, no, no. Yes. yes.
No, I have to. The use it for that.
Line up.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
In a permanent.
Oh, yes.
When we do 6 to different, so them could have for them beats with this. No, we can't like that.
I think my lips said, don't line up.
Right.
I already know.
Literally have scripts in China.
Bro. Bro, this is all bad though. Only by time, bro, that's I listen to the live. I like listen to her live, bro, and Mac Miller.
But all two of them, they want to make a song, bro. No,
I wish,
bro.
Like this shit right here. Yes, good job. We can make 150 to the part already. Good.
Hey, shit, bro.
Let's do some over.
I think I know it,
What I do. See, market that.
Why you always at the mall?
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. See, I just wanna fall, maybe dunk. You said never good. I never fall. God knows I can't come. We need to just do better. Together. Rich was so lonely. Oh well. So in this 5-star hotel. Yo. It's only it's we don't need nothing but today. Yeah. Till it ain't. I'm getting up a block till it break. I just wanna call. And it's late. I don't wanna keep you waiting. I hope I never keep you waiting. Start talking to me, GPT. See, I just wanna make me dumb, but I never could. All right, live mission number 0007. Every day for the rest of my life, I'm gonna upload like a mission, basically. That's it. GG's, gang. God knows I came close. Star Hotel. Oh well. You never told me being rich was so lonely. I think the filler for the other one is in here. I got a bad attitude, playing till I'm out of moves. No need for shame, I give no peace at slow speeds. Go beat the game, young control freak, it's cold in my veins. I'm below freezing, snow season made me. They know that I so need my space. Don't wanna grow old, so I smoke just in case. What? She say that I glow below the waist in the stroke. That's just so PGA. All I got is lit up in a space and time from shapes and lines of the world. Ain't yet. Or maybe right around the corner, but I swear it's gonna be worth it if I'm somewhere above you keep reaching up. That's really all it takes. We don't need nothing but today. Today. Alright, you did the news already, Lada?
All I did news alarm then said.
Okay.
GGZ, my G. Welcome back to Trading HQ. Mission of 007, protect capital, execute process, compound skill, not open quote, make money today. Close quote. Our mission is, open quote, execute SugarCane exactly as written. Close quote. If we do that consistently, the money follows. Nash SugarCane pre-market checklist. 1, mindset, 2 minutes. Before the charts, ask yourself, did I sleep enough? Am I calm? Am I trying to make money or execute? Am I okay finishing today with 0 trades if the market doesn't qualify? Today's reminder, open quote, pressure is a privilege. Patience is an edge.
Okay?
We don't chase buses. We wait for the doors to open. Close quote. Number 2, economic calendar. Before touching a chart, check the investing.com economic calendar. Highlight all high-impact USD events. Write down the exact times. Ask, open quote, could today's news change the narrative? Close quote. Have 3, higher time frame story, weekly, trend or range, weekly objective, weekly volume imbalance, daily, expansion, consolidation, reversal. 4H, main FVGs, Resistance, support, major gas stations. 1H, current liquidity, internal external range, bias.
Well, we got these right around.
4, mark today's gas stations mark. Previous day high, previous day low, Asia high, Asia low, London high, London low, midnight open, daily open, NWOG. Previous 10 a.m. NY bar, SugarCane FVG, HTF FVGs, volume imbalances. Number 5, quarterly theory, 6-hour quarter label it. A equals accumulation, M equals manipulation, D equals distribution, X equals continuation expansion. Then break it into 90-minute mini quarters. Ask, open quote, what phase are we in right now? Close quote. 6, write today's contract, one sentence only. Open quote, what has to happen before I'm allowed to trade today? Close quote. This is your contract with yourself. Number 7, SugarCane execution. Before entering, every box must be checked. HTF narrative agrees, news considered, gas station reached, liquidity swept, displacement, SugarCane FBG identified, return into the zone, 2LPB confirmation, EMA alignment, tick chart confirms, target equals next gas station. One
Hey,
box
I'm
is
not gonna
empty,
lie to you.
no trade.
Thank goodness for this. Because
Roach
how
Gang
the fuck do
commandments
we
1,
remembering all this
narrative
shit?
before execution. 2, no
What the
sweep,
fuck?
no trade. 3, no displacement was no trade. 4, no
Oh,
return
man,
was no
perfect.
chase.
Come out here.
5, no confirmation equals no entry. 6, protect
Right, a
mental capital.
sentence.
7,
Right.
1 A plus trade beats
Yeah.
5 average trades. 8, there may only be
Look
one
what
of
we
4
write.
quality
It was
opportunities
on that
today.
type of
9,
mindset.
flat is a position. 10, we don't die, we multiply. Today's mission, I want us to focus on one thing today. Open quote. Can we correctly identify the story before we ever discuss an entry? Close quote. If we nail the narrative, the execution becomes much simpler. What I need from you. Send me weekly chart, daily chart, 4H chart, 1H chart, 2K tick chart.
Okay.
Today's news review, today's key levels. Today's SugarCane FBG,
Sure.
your quarterly breakdown. Then we'll build today's story together before the 9:50 to 10:10 execution window. Open quote, I don't need more trades. I need better decisions. The market has a destination. My job is not to predict it. My job is to wait until the doors open. Process over profit. Discipline over dopamine. Today we don't hunt trades. We let the market earn our participation. Close quote.
GG's. GG's, my girl. GG's. Alright, so I got that.
Superior inside. But I can't touch it.
Where do we put the line? 931. Put the core, put the window. Need to find a way for this to pop up by itself soon.
Oh my god, the sugar thing.
The window. Gotta hit up Gerardo. So we got news basically in the window, Linda. Alright, so we got time then.
Yeah, man, this perfect, right? Yeah.
Huh?
Well, hold on.
Alright, we're going down. Start coming over out of this other chart. Break down the quarters.
What's this? Journal?
Something like that.
Alright, push this. Oh, you like the color?
You like it, huh?
That's perfect. That's not foolishness.
Alright,
Right.
Georgia.
I best one done.
No, lie, you just want to be good.
That was,
I'm a bright student, but I'm a
well, that one wasn't a lie.
And full of black, you know, me always hear you say, yeah, you remember the always says JJ sweet,
What's that?
but in that if you burn him.
Me too.
Me too, JJ, what you say? You have to take your wish for now, that's the I think no one able to do. Burn too?
Yeah, but
No.
we're, yeah.
No most love burn, cause I love weed. All I do is
Like we said, that's some in there.
when me a burn, me put some weed.
Very nice.
I'm putting it down. And I'm very ashes. I put it down the road.
Very nice.
Yeah. No can burn me share my ashes in that tree.
Alright.
Some for JR, some for JJ.
I put you in a one little plane.
Plane. You have a crash it. Oh. Put it on tattoo for your skin. Alright.
One little table plane where you can see right. Not one for your fly.
And when a baby come out, when a son or a daughter come and take you up and you drop where you do.
Can't push that.
Why?
Tattoo. You can put in a ink.
I'm not gonna do that.
We make them red bills.
Where's your favorite color? Red?
Goddamn, look how we did.
You see, to JJ love press. This can't press now, but you love press in your hand.
I say, feel good.
Flexible.
It feel kind of squishy.
Let me try to switch this so you guys can see me breaking down the quarters. Is this one? Oh, boom, there we go.
Where the fun do it on
50.
Not gonna probably like
Gotta start getting online at 7:30. Gotta start getting online at 7:30.
Just see things we would have.
No, just the time to draw this up and stuff.
Yes, got within now. Trading time and all that.
Yeah, today we got the new subscribe. Let's go, man. Cooking up. Every day we're cooking up. That's it.
That's fun. Whatever dry up, you can make it dry up now. We just say, something.
Friday high. Friday low. So we already took out the low from yesterday. charts. What else did it say? Daily chart, 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, 2-day tick chart. 2-day tick chart is.
What's on the Daily Bullish check SugarCane good. Today's key levels news.
Where is the sugar on here? 931. Why? People them just like get straight shot this one.
Like how? How?
Oh my damn, no, that's how rise up. I'm probably
Yes,
at
probably a
39 bed.
Eh?
Oh my, probably at 39 bed, I know.
You might 39 bed. I think there.
She know?
Yeah, we do. I'm gonna go to phone.
Oh no, man.
Gone, man.
Go to that, you're mad.
Too late. Too late for that.
Boy.
You know what they can't say, but too late for all that, but.
You are now one of my elite.
You're damn right.
Now you're coming.
You reach.
Loose.
Yo, go look at the SugarCane and tell me the highs and the lows from now. So you can make sure you're figuring it out yourself.
295.90 and 295.90.
That's the high? 295.90?
Yeah.
Okay, when I come in. Yep, I can see that. I got 89.90, yep.
And 29569. The low.
29.
569. The low.
Smooth. You seeing any key levels for me right now? I see all the way back up to 10 a.m. bar is 29918, and then there's another low of it of 29840. I got the new week opening gap down at 29284. We already took out the low of the day. Friday low is 29682. Friday high is 3095. Any other key levels? I don't see right now. Only other low I see is nearest gas is 29327. We're gonna start it with this going on. Shower at halftime. I think my bad game, bro.
Say where the man go.
A big man ball game. Alright, we just ranging, we just chop. Yes, that's the other lows there. Let's see what happens. What else do I need to look at? The weekly chart. Let's go. I'm going all down now, actually. Weekly, still range, still inside bar until weekly inside until 29278. Low high is this little bar right here. You see this on the weekly? 29554. Till we get out of that, that's kind of inside. Even on this wick all the way up here, we kind of inside on the weekly. You see, we just in here in this little volume bounce. Daily coming down. Maybe we take out these lows at 158. Daily gas 29158. Yeah, this little buy. Let's get right again. This is daily fair value gap space. Yeah, it's the daily. Got a fair value gap. The top of it is 29524. 243. Alright, 4 hour. Got a whole bunch of lows right here on the 4 hour. Same place, I think. 29173. For our gas is 29173. 1 hour. Next 1 hour one is 338. 29338. 30-minute, just dropping, going into that bullish gap, the bearish gap, but the 30-minute got a lot of lows. And back to the 15. 15-minute got a low at 2938 as well. Two nine three two nine. Make sure I got everything.
GGGZMG. Welcome back to Trading HQ. Mission Number 07, protect capital. Execute process, compound skill, not open quote, make money today, close quote. Our mission is, open quote, execute SugarCane exactly as written, close quote. If we do that consistently, the money follows. Has SugarCane pre-market checklist. 1 mindset, 2 minutes. Before the charts, ask yourself, did I sleep enough? Am I calm? Am I trying to make money or execute? Am I okay finishing today with 0 trades if the market doesn't qualify? Today's reminder, open quote, pressure is a privilege, patience is an edge. We don't chase buses, we wait for the doors to open, close quote. Number 2, economic calendar. Before touching a chart, check the investing.com economic calendar. Highlight all high impact USD events. Write down the exact times. Ask, open quote, could today's news change the narrative? Close quote. 3, higher time frame story. Weekly trend or range, weekly objective, weekly volume imbalance, daily expansion, consolidation, reversal, 4H main FVGs, resistance, support, major gas stations, 1H current liquidity, internal, external range, bias. On a 4, mark today's gas station's mark, previous day high, previous day low, Asia high, Asia low, London high, London low, midnight open, daily open, NWOG, previous 10 a.m. my bar, SugarCane FVG, HTF FVGs, volume imbalances. Number 5, quarterly theory, 6-hour quarter label it. A equals accumulation, M equals manipulation, D equals distribution, X equals continuation, expansion. Then break it into 90-minute mini quarters. Ask, open quote, what phase are we in right now? Close quote. 6, write today's contract, one sentence only. Open quote, what has to happen before I'm allowed to trade today? Close quote. This is your contract with yourself. 7, SugarCane execution. Before entering, every box must be checked. Again, HTF narrative agrees. News considered. Gas station reached. Liquidity swept. Displacement. SugarCane FVG identified. Return into the zone. 2LPB confirmation. EMA alignment. Tick chart confirms. Target equals next gas station. If one box is empty, no trade. Roach Gang Commandments 1. Narrative before execution. 2. No sweep equals no trade. 3. No displacement equals no trade. 4. No return equals no chase. 5. No confirmation equals no entry. 6. Protect no capital. 7. 1A plus trade beats 5 average trades. 8. There may only be 1 to 4 quality opportunities today. 9. Flat is a position. 10. We don't die, we multiply. Today's mission. I want us to focus on one thing today. Open quote, we correctly identify the story before we ever discuss an entry. Close quote. If we nail the narrative, the execution becomes much simpler. What I need from you, send me weekly chart, daily chart, 4H chart, 1H chart, 2K tick chart, today's news review, today's key levels, today's SugarCane FVG, your quarterly breakdown. Then we'll build today's story together before the 9:50 to 10:10 execution window. Trading mantra, open quote, I don't need more trades.
So what is
I
the
need
news
better
like today?
decisions. The market has a destination. My job is not to predict it. My job is to wait until the doors open. Process over profit. Discipline over dopamine. Today we don't hunt trades. We let the market earn our participation.
Window open, but there's no. Hold on. So my thing is not charging. Absolutely. It's not charging, but.
You good over there, man?
Coming back up. Meanwhile, first entry, pull back, second entry. First entry, coming back up to the. News shouldn't really affect, but should. Alright, got the weekly chart, daily. Okay, gotta take the trade out. Weekly chart, daily chart. Take review key levels. SugarCane. Okay, so I sent you pictures of the charts that you wanted. SugarCane fair value gap level, high level is 29589. The low is 29569. All in all, some key levels today. The 10 a.m. bar, the levels are 29918 to 29840. Prior day low is 29682. We actually already took that out. Prior day high is 30,095. New week opening gap, we're kind of approaching that somewhat, but stalling at 29284. Let's see what else we got. Right now we're kind of inside the weekly bar too. The high is 29384 and the low is 29278. That's the body of that weekly bar. Let's see what else. Okay, the gas stations. 4-hour gas station is 29773. 1-hour gas station 29338. 15-minute is 29329. Daily gas station is 29158. And we got a daily bullish fair value gap that we kind of inside in. The level, the high is 29524 and the low is 29243. What else? I think what has to happen before I'm allowed to trade today would either have to sweep the gas station, go all the way down to the new week opening gap, and then bounce, get an inversion, then we get a two-legged pullback off the EMA as well, or a clean inversion. Or if we don't get that, I would say we'd have to get something off the EMA nice in order for us to enter on the way down to the new week opening gap.
Marie, I can't move it anymore. You know
Tesh GGZ.
should I watch that?
This is exactly how we should be doing pre-market. I'm going to treat this like we're sitting beside each other before the NY session. Top-down narrative. Weekly, I like this. Price is still inside the weekly body and still above the NWOG around 29,284. That tells me, open quote, the higher time frame hasn't broken yet, close quote. The weekly is still capable of being bullish later this week. Daily, the daily is where it gets interesting. You mentioned Daily Bullish FVG, high 29,524, low 29,243. Price is currently inside that daily imbalance. That means, open quote, buyers technically still have unfinished business here, close quote. So I do not want to blindly sell into the bottom of that FVG. Instead, I want to see whether buyers defend it or whether they completely fail. 4H. The 4H is bearish, lower highs, EMA pointing down, displacement down. But we're getting close to higher time frame support, so I'm thinking open quote bearish until proven otherwise. Close quote. Nash Charber 1H very clean, momentum down, EMA down, lower highs, lower lows, no reason to buy yet. Current story, here's what I think the market is trying to do. We already took previous day low, that was liquidity. Now the next magnet becomes NWOG, daily FVG low, daily gas station. Exactly what you identified. I think that's the right read. Cash SugarCane checklist, bias bearish, liquidity, previous day low swept, destination likely NWOG around 29,284. Gas stations you gave 15-year 20,329, 1H 29,338, 4H 29 and 773, daily 29 and 158. Excellent. Now, this is the most important sentence you told me today. Open quote, I am only allowed to trade after either a sweep into NWOG and reversal or a clean EMA setup back down. Close quote. That is professional thinking. That means you're no longer trying to force entries. You're defining, open quote, conditions first, close quote. That alone separates profitable traders from gamblers. If I were trading beside you, I'd have only two scenarios. Scenario A, my favorite, continue lower, hit NWOG, take liquidity, show displacement, create inversion. 2LPB, buy back toward 15-meter gas station or PDL. Scenario B, price retraces first into EMA or your SugarCane FVG, shows rejection. 2LPB, continue lower. Target and lap what I would not do. Buy randomly, short after huge displacement, chase candles, enter because I'm bored. One thing I want you to improve, you already have excellent structure. Now I want you to start every day with this sentence. Where is the market trying to go? Not, open quote, where can I enter? Close quote, destination first, entry second. The destination creates the setup. The setup creates the entry. Now, today's trading contract, I would literally write this down. Open quote, today's objective is not to make money. Today's objective is to correctly identify whether price is traveling toward NWOG or rejecting from it. I will only trade after SugarCane confirms. If no confirmation appears, I finish the day flat. Close quote, one small suggestion for SugarCane. Based on everything you've shared over the last several days, I think your framework is almost complete. The last piece I'd add is a simple hierarchy. 1, destination. Where is price likely trying to go? 2, gas station. Where can price pause or react? 3, liquidity. What has to be swept first? 4, confirmation. Displacement, FVG inversion, 2LPB, EMA alignment. 5, entry. If you follow those 5 steps in that order every morning, you'll be making decisions from the higher time frame down, instead of reacting candle by candle. Mission number 0007 reminder. Open quote. Don't get paid for trading. Get paid for waiting. Close quote. From everything you've shown me over the last few days, there's been a noticeable shift in how you're thinking. You're talking less about catching moves and more about waiting for conditions. That's exactly the direction you want to keep moving.
No sabe.
World is so small, till it ain't, till it ain't, till it ain't, till it ain't, yeah. I'm building up a wall, until it break, till it break, till it break, till it break, yeah.
GG's.
And it's late, and it's late, and it's late. I don't wanna keep waiting. I hope I never keep waiting. Nine times out of 10 I get it wrong. That's why I wrote this song. Tell myself to hold on. I can feel my fingers slipping in a motherfucking instant I'll be gone. Do you want it all if it's all mediocre? Staring at the wall and a wall full of posters. Looking at my dreams, who I wanna be. I guess you gotta see it to believe. Who I've been a fool, but it's fool. That's what human beings do. Keep your eyes to the sky, never glued to your shoes. Guess there was time when my mind was consumed with the sun coming out now. Clouds start to move. Don't tell me nothing. I'm tired, I don't got a spare second. Winner lose, I don't keep count, nobody check.
Claude can collaborate right alongside your team. Tag Claude into your engineering channel and watch it pick up.
Engineer.
Heard enough. Yeah, you can love it, you can leave it. Saying nothing without it. Yeah, don't let them keep you down. What if I don't need it? There's something about it. Yeah, that just freaks me out. Yeah, I just want another minute with it. Fuck a little, what's the use? Yeah. Never superficial, you gon' know it when it hits you. Get a little sentimental when I'm off the coast, yeah. Yeah, okay, we caught it in the breeze, but the breeze ain't blowing like me, motherfucker, hold up. You don't need to hold up. And I can show you what it's
Dude,
what it is, what it
the
might
bills
be.
them waterproof.
You don't need to hold up.
The bills them are waterproof.
There's something about it, yeah, that just freaks me out. Yeah, I just want another minute with it. Fuck a little, what's the use? Yeah. Never superficial, you gon' know it when it hits you. Get a little sentimental when I'm off the juice.
No.
Yeah,
I never did
caught it in
exactly.
the
The
breeze,
bills
the breeze ain't blowing
are
like me,
waterproof.
motherfucker, hold up. You don't need to hold up. I can show you what it's in, what it is, what it truly might be, nothing that you know of. You don't need to hold up. Some song came up and be on. Tech trucks make it up, way up where we on. Space shuttle Elon. We don't face much fuck when we wake up. Then I have a sang just like Celine Dion. Catch me if you can, but you never catch me. Damn. Whole lot of yes I am. All the way here with no exit plan. Already left it,
Bruh.
don't land. It's
Sit
time to
man,
take a
but our
nigga back
father,
inside the society.
he
Talking
must come for
black out
$20.
Hollywood. Yeah. Can
Man,
I
say them
borrow
upgrade the
wait
money.
till you something that your eyes too close. I don't understand why you're doing the most.
Live Roach Desk, 9:30 a.m. update. This is actually the kind of patience we've been talking about for the last week. What I see, PDL has already been swept. Price continued lower exactly as expected. Price is now sitting right around the NWOG 29,284 area. That was one of our primary magnets from pre-market. What has not
What
happened
number is
yet?
your account?
This
1-1.
And yeah, for diplomatic, idiomatic, not forgot to tell them when I play the call, pragmatic. Miss a word, Nina, I'm saying Nina got it. Mrs. got to be my bunny in the traffic. Blast off, and I'm couldn't find a king, I rocket, telling go, we're going nowhere, I have money in a pocket. Yeah, them man on a challenge, let me see it, fuck it. Seen it, graphic, way up, discover my sick on top of the beat, that's why my lips so long, this fuck, they need that chatting, my click, cabbage, stack it till it perfect, me no alcoholic, but the back, cause I'm for fucking rapping. On them, stop it, I think, I know, say that, you a little boy, them are some girl, them are some more, them are sick.
Live Roach Desk, 9:30 a.m. update. This is actually the kind of about PDL has already been swept. Price continued low exactly as expected. Price is now sitting right around the NWOG 29,284 area. That was one of our pre-market. What has not happened yet? This is the important part. I don't see a confirmed reversal yet. I see strong bearish displacement, lower highs. EMA still pointing down, no inversion, no 2LP, no bullish displacement. So according to SugarCane rules, no buy yet. What I'm watching, this is where patience pays. Option 1 favorite. Price sweeps NWOG maybe tags. Daily FVG lows, rejects hard breaks above EMA, forms inversion, gives 2LPB, then buy. Option 2, price can't hold. Breaks NWOG cleanly, retest from underneath, EMA rejects, 2LPB, continue selling. What I love, you told me this morning, open quote, I'm not allowed to trade until, close quote. That's exactly what I'm seeing. Nothing has invalidated that rule. The market is still proving you right by not giving a clean reversal yet. Roach rule. Remember the picture you sent yesterday? The one with only 1 to 4 circles showing the few quality entries during a trend. This is one of those moments. Someone actually in 3 trades. Someone following your plan is still waiting. Cash my scorecard right now. Bias bearish. Destination NWOG complete. Almost yes on your exact level. Inversion, no. EMA reclaim, no. 2LPPB, no. Trade, no trade. Mission 0007. Quote. We don't trade because price moved. We trade because our checklist is complete. Close quote. You're starting to think like a trader instead of a gambler. If you keep following your own rules, even when the market helps you, you'll avoid a lot of low quality trades over the long run. Keep sending updates as the price develops. I'm happy to sit on the Roach desk with you and call out when the checklist actually completes instead of forcing an entry.
Pull up and we're traveling on the mountain, girl, I'm so mad at you. The back with them, you know, fear. So reactive to the me in a hole in a leaf. Me no fear. Nobody pull up in me and I'm chicken on me way came me a carry. Chicken, the deal, funeral. Left ahead in a valley, literally go be snap a picture and the your mommy pull up on your dinner, you know, for nobody gonna party me with the girl if I'm not here. When you block it from the skill, then me attack it. The blood that's how we pull up wherever goes. Yeah, say them know the code, but then crack it, we are lock it, we are lock it, tree, I be a cut it. Yeah, everything connect the plug in a socket. Philosophical, the place, I'm so bureaucratic. Yeah, couldn't run the place and remember when I'm not sure. We share roll with your turbo. She wear you, but the curve. Square upstairs. Light to the paper, the curse, and all of my friend in my verse. I say, yeah. Pussy on the brave. Blood like and a pain. 6 months yes. Step like your place. Boy, you keep on like bull. Race. Music eyes get a grip. And when you have a rave, anyway, stop the boy, run up the man. He say a chatting. And the man clapping. Can take fire rapid. He say a chatting. Oh no, man. And the man clapping. Can take fire. Oh, boy, you see, I push them dead. Can take that, I push them wet. Head full of lead from a PS back shell. Teach them a lesson, them behave themselves. If you're chode, if you're rich, if you're not rich, patience. Me no know, man. Me no know, me no know. Just a do, cause not doing it my enemy. Get up. They see them too long, see them party, man. Believe me, me tell myself, I'm gonna buy a big man. Me did. I can, you can, need some fun and buy some fun. I can, you can, need some fun and buy some fun. Chapopi duty, open on me, all them see all that place cold soft like putty. Rich, fast and flushy, chain them full of ice, bro, and a slushy. Money make me fuck, Kenny gala do me ugly. Stinking rich, gun full of dopey. So we done go the talkie. The girl, response fake, for this badness. Me shift panty, you keep go peace. So sit one day, no switch one six. Shit it, ten bitch. Rich badness, we got chicks, fan chicks. Squash, we got hip on me. And raise up a clock with believe in them. But if it doesn't send me up with the song, yeah. Whatever sound send me, I go buy a big girl shot. Lit. Yeah. Whatever sound send me, I go fly. Shereen. I feel that strong boy. Nice, good. Whatever sound send me, I go fuck 20 girl for the month. It happen less than a week. Whatever sound send me, I go book a school from Tennessee and drop it out to G. I can meet my side drop. I can, you can meet someone on my side drop. Next year, use our watch. We have to. We love y'all. We love y'all. Get that fucking out here. Hello. Yeah,
Roach Desk Live 42 a.m. Yes, this is exactly why we wait. What happened? The market didn't below the NWOG. It didn't exactly through it. That's normal. It's now around 208, 184.95. That means it has likely been taken. What do we see? The 1H chart still shows we're trading inside that big. We're also getting areas. Still making lower EMA point down. There's zero bullish shift. Chart actually beautiful. Exactly. No. Let me flip. No. We get inverted. Not pullback. Excitement. Retest 2 LPB 5. Hash scenario B. Another flood. More lows. Everyone panic sell. Then huge rejection. That always the best reversal. Biggest lesson today. Remember the screenshot you sent? Circles? Open quote. Some days entries. Close quote. Today's chart is becoming another one of those. Look how many candles are printed. Look actually tradable according to your rules. That's bias. NWOG reached inside. Trend, strong bearish, buy, sell only on a fresh setup. New pullback into the even version, not after chasing an extended move. Status, sit on your hands. One thing I want to say, because I watched your progress over the last several days. A week ago, we might have been talking about trying to catch this move. Today, you're waiting for your setup instead of forcing one. That's a meaningful change in your process. If you keep building that habit, it will likely have a much bigger impact than finding another indicator or pattern. Mission number 0, the market.